Hi! Good evening mga mahal! Another quick Learn Tagalog video. I have 3 items here. Let's learn how to say shampoo, lotion, and soap sa Tagalog. Shampoo sa Tagalog. Shampoo. 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 And lotion, it is also lotion. Lotion. And with the soap, sabon. 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 And you're probably thinking, okay, soap is sabon, so what if I wanna say laundry soap or bath soap, hand soap? If you mean to say bath soap, sabong pangligo. Sabong pangligo. Ligo or bath sa English. And hand soap, sabong pangkamay. Sabong pangkamay. Kamay or hand. And last one, sabong panglaba. Panglaba. And laba means laundry or the washing of clothes. So that's our quick Learn Tagalog tonight. See you on the next video. Bye!